Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Starbucks gift card, firstly open up your Starbucks application. The home page of Starbucks application will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top left corner of the screen, then click on Join Now. Enter your first and last name, your email address and password for Starbucks account, your country, then tick mark on the given boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of Starbucks and tap on Join Now. For that, to redeem your Starbucks gift card, click on Already Have a Gift Card option. Enter your gift card number and security code, then click on Join. This is how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.